websites, then click New Website. Choose a template or start from the crash. And then use the drag and drop editor to add sections, images, forms, and buttons. Okay. After that, you need to save it. And then publish. Since need Japan siya og domain, so I don't have a domain already. So ganiin lang ni siya guys. So same process lang. Then after nimo siya mag-choose of template or start from scratch, then use the drag or drop editor to add sections, forms, and buttons. After that, click the publish to make the website live on your domain or Shopify subdomain. Need to save this. So, there siya guys. And that's it.